welcome to my channel. Good to see you. What's popping? Yeah, your girl is here today to show you something different from the usual. Not so different from the usual, just that I'm having someone coming into the studio to have a makeup section, and I'm going to be showing you what I do behind closed doors. No, I'm going to be showing you how I transform my clients to look all beautiful. So if you're new here, my name is Jessy Emebo. Don't forget to hit on the subscribe button over there, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, as I'll be in the comment section replying to your comments and answering your questions. So stay with me. Welcome back, guys. So I'm going to go straight into the video proper, and I'm going to switch to the voiceover mode. Please stay tuned and watch this video. You're going to learn a lot, and I also have nice videos on how to style your short hair, how to make up with just 5 products, and how busy moms can slay at home. So please don't forget to check the description box below. Every information will be right below there. So stay tuned and watch. So I started first by prepping her face. I cleaned her face with a face wipe, after which I applied a primer to her face. I used the primer Pond's, which is very good and quite dry, so I massaged the primer into her face to make sure it stays, and after that I sprayed her face, and I went straight to applying the foundation. Applying the foundation, I made use of a foundation brush, and I kept on applying the foundation on her face, and it's actually looks good on her because it's her skin, it's the shade of her skin, so it looks good on her. After that, I went forward to blending the foundation proper. I made use of a beauty blender, as you can see, and I kept on blending it in to enable it to have an even look. I didn't want it to look different from her skin shade. Next, I highlighted her face. For highlighting her face, I made use of a shade of concealer lighter than her skin tone. That is because I wanted her face to look a bit brighter, so I made use of a shade lighter than her skin shade, and I started blending it in. I kept on blending it in until it's evened out and went into the face proper. Next, I contoured her face using 2 shades darker than her normal skin color, and after that I applied the setting powder. And allowed her face to bake. Next, I brushed her eyebrow and filled it in with a brow gel. Then I kept on brushing it to make sure the brow gel goes over the eyebrows, and after that I made use of a pencil. I made use of an eye pencil to give it a better shape, and I kept on brushing it to make it look smooth and more defined. So I'm still brushing. And I still added a bit of the brow gel to it just to make it look more defined. I kept on adding the gel liner and also interchanging with my eye pencil just to achieve a smooth look and a defined look. So next I highlighted her eyebrow using the same using the same concealer shade I used in highlighting her face. I highlighted her eyebrow to make it look neat and smooth. After that, I started blending out just to give it a smooth look. Next, I applied the eyeshadow with a steady stroke from the crease to the outer corner, from the crease to the frontal corner. Then after that, I applied a pigmented eyeshadow. I didn't give her a defined cut crease. I kept it very simple. Next, I used the mascara brush to brush out her eyelids because I wanted it to get rid of any foundation stain on it. After that, I fixed her eyelashes. I fixed it to the artificial eyelash to a natural eyelash. Next was her lips. I kept her lips quite simple. I made use of a nude lipstick, Honey Spice by Debbyluster, and then I added a bit of lip gloss to her upper lips just to make it look brighter. Then I started brushing out her face, blending out the baked setting powder, and then applying her shade of powder to her face, and then blending out everything on her face to make it look even. Next, I recontoured her face using a darker shade to recontour her face. So I just kept on blending out everything and making her face look smoother and more even. I kept on using the brush to blend out everything on her face. Next, I made use of a blush to give her cheek a bit rosy look. I tried giving her cheek a bit of a rosy look. Then after that, I highlighted her cheekbones. I made use of a rosy kind of glow for her cheekbones to highlight her cheekbones and then make it look firm. So I kept on blending it in to make it look even and not to stand out from her face. So I kept on blending out the glow and making it look even. I'm still blending out, as you can see. So guys, that's that about this look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more good videos.